Glenwood Springs Gondola is a state-of-the-art gondola that offers a breathtaking ride up Iron Mountain above the Roaring Fork Valley. It soars over the town of Glenwood Springs and up the side of the mountain, offering expansive 360-degree views of the surrounding scenery. Renovated in March 2019, the Glenwood Springs Gondola replaced the slower Iron Mountain Tramway. It transports visitors from the bottom of Glenwood Caverns Adventure Park to the top of Iron Mountain, passing over treetops, going ever higher and higher. Once at the top, enjoy a tour through some of Colorado's best caves or go on a ride of any of the thrilling attractions. But the best part has to be the 10-minute ride up and down the mountainside with panoramic views of Colorado's Rocky Mountains. The updated and fully enclosed gondola sits up to 6 people comfortably. The windows are wide and clear, giving you the opportunity to see the towering Rocky Mountains, the sprawling valley, and the town below. Also, it has the benefit of being wheelchair accessible and has plenty of room for even strollers to fit inside. The gondolas start near the parking lot at the bottom of the Glenwood Springs Valley and travel slowly up the side of the mountain. As you ride up, you'll be going northeast, gorgeous views of the mountains on all sides with the town below. You might even see Mount Sopris and the Colorado River as you ascend. The ride is approximately 5 to 6 minutes one way, for about a 10-minute ride in total. Previously, the gondola was a multi-cab tram that would only fit 10 to 12 passengers at a time, so it was slower and more cumbersome to get people up and down the mountain. It was reimagined, redesigned, and reopened in 2019 as the Glenwood Gondola with individual cabs for a better and faster experience, which is actually much better than the original way of going up and down, which was on donkeys like they did in the late 1800s. The Glenwood Springs Gondola was built without cutting down any trees in order to preserve the natural environment of the mountainside. And the gondola is open year-round, but specific days and hours of operation depend on the time of year you visit. Typically, the gondola is open on weekends and only closes for severe weather, which is, after all, in the heart of the Rocky Mountains, so make sure to keep an eye on the weather before heading out, as things in the mountains can change quickly. And be sure to check out the Glenwood Springs Adventure Park website calendar for events and the exact dates and hours that they'll be open. All tickets for the Glenwood Springs Adventure Park include access to the gondola, as this is the only way up or down the mountain. You can purchase tickets to only ride the gondola, or purchase a bundle to access the cave tours or other attraction rides on top of the mountain. And once at the top, you'll be in the heart of the Glenwood Caverns Adventure Park, which is America's only mountaintop theme park. Here you can check out the viewing deck, or take a tour of the historic fairy caves, or visit Halvard Flowstone, the Glenwood Springs Troll. Not to mention that there are tons of fun rides and other attractions for kids and adults of all ages. And once you're finished with a fun-filled day, you simply get back into the comfortable gondolas and enjoy a scenic ride back down to the parking lot. Of all the gondolas available to ride in Colorado, Glenwood Springs Gondola is one of the best. While other gondolas like the Breckenridge Gondola are available to ride for free, Glenwood Gondola is not free and requires a ticket to ride. Still, it is totally worth the price though. It's an experience that you will remember for a long time, and it's breathtakingly beautiful no matter what time of year you visit. Plus, you can upgrade your ticket and enjoy all of the attractions, tours, and rides that the Glenwood Caverns Adventure Park offers, thanks to the access from the Glenwood Springs Gondola.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button to show your support. And to get new videos from us every week, be sure to hit that subscribe button.